change. I'll zip up something I got. So let me go to my documents and I go to Visual Studio, and I have to have some projects here, I'm assuming. Go to projects. Now when you create a project, it creates all these different files underneath. Across the top here, these are called breadcrumbs. Um, you see here's our SLN file. That's the, and you may not see the extension there, but you should see the .sln here. That's our main project file that tells where everything's located at. Now, I don't want to do any zipping in this folder. I want to go back one. Let's go back to here. And now once you have this main folder here, whatever that might be, then you can, let's see, I think it's add. Yeah. So you can add, and you can say add it to a zip. And it's sitting there putting everything in the file. So now you see there's a zip file there. Now I'm going to come over here and just look at it. Well, there we go. So I come here, projects. Now see, if I were to double click this zip file and say okay, this will show you everything that's contained within. So I got a folder there, and then under all that folder is all those individual files. So what you would upload is this zip file right here. So that's how in pzip how you can change it to different folders. Now some of them you've turned in. Some of them you grab the code file. Where's that at? In here. This is Visual Basic, I guess. But some of these contain the code. And so I was able to look at your code and see what you had done. On some of the zip files you had just like this SLN file. And from there I couldn't tell anything because that's just an empty file. If you don't have any of the other files with it, then it's pointing to nothing. It's kind of a file of pointers, you might think of it that way. But anyway, that's how you change the folders. And you want to go back to your main one where your main folder is. And that's where you want to zip up. So you just choose your add, and then you choose it to the zip, and that creates a new zip file.